Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T and let me show you how to enable TalkBack mode on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Then let's scroll and find additional settings. And here we have to enter accessibility. And as you can see on the second position, we've got the TalkBack, so let's tap on it. Now if you want to customize it, then tap on the settings, and here we've got a lot of options which we can personalize. For example, we can decide if we want the vibration feedback. If we don't want to, then simply tap on the switcher right next to it. Or we can set some gestures. It's up to you if you want to customize it. Let me get back, and in order to turn on the TalkBack, simply tap on the switcher next to the accessibility. Now your device is telling you that the TalkBack needs to observe your actions, retrieve window content, turn on Explore by Touch, observe text you type, control display magnification and fingerprint gestures. So if you're ready, click on OK. And as you can hear, the TalkBack is on. Now let me show you how to navigate with that mode on. If you want to choose something, for example this back button, you have to tap on it. You'll see a green frame and then you will have to double tap. And as you can see, we just got back to accessibility settings. Now let me show you how to swipe. We have actually two options to choose from. In both we are using two fingers, just like that. And as you can see, I can swipe freely or this way. But in my opinion, the first option is much easier. And now let me show you how to turn off the TalkBack. We can do it manually, just like simply go into the TalkBack, double tap, tap on the switcher, double tap, and so on and so on. But we can do it by tapping on volume up and volume down together and by holding them for 3 seconds. So let's do this. Hold them together, and as you can hear, the TalkBack is off. So that's all. This is how to enable the TalkBack in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.